What is up, and welcome back to another episode on the Hobson Outdoor YouTube channel. Today we are out here in beautiful northeastern North Dakota on a lake I haven't been to in about 3 years. We got Gavin out here, obviously. It is freaking cold, as you guys will see on screen right now. It is absolutely cold, but we got winds at like 20 miles an hour, but as you guys can hear, ain't shit, because we just came to the north shore of this lake, have almost no wind right here, and this is what we got going on. We are packed in nicely because it is still negative 18 degrees without wind chill. Oh, the heater died. There we go. We're in 13 foot of water. We're going to be chasing some crappies later, but right now we're after some midday perch. And he's setting up that. We got a tip up set up out there. We're going to have to...
Hot dog.
Yeah.
You'll see the flag when it comes up.
Yeah. Can you still see the flag?
I don't know. My eyes can't focus. Yeah, I can.
Okay. Yeah. Cozy little setup here. We are packed in tight. I walked all the way around it and packed it in. So, should stay warm even though it is negative 18 degrees out here today. And we've already got, some stuff going on down here. Seen a couple fish mosey through. So hopefully we can get on a good perch bite right away and start stacking fish on the ice. And then go stack some crappies later. But I'll get you guys rigged up and we will get going real quick here. So there is already mayhem going on down on the bottom of the screen. Watch yourself, dude.
Yep.
I wouldn't doubt you catch one. Just leave it down there for them. They're perched. They're not going to chase like crappie. Oh my gosh.
That is either there's like 1,000 of them or that is a big fucking mark.
There's 1,000 of them. It's kind of why I don't have any meat on this tantrum, because I really don't want him to get experimental. Well, especially this. I've got 4-pound monofilament. It's already hauled 2 pikes through the hole on the coolies.
Oh yeah, that's right. Yep.
Let him take. Oh, give her the beans.
Got him.
Good. All right.
Oh, no way!
I told you, he's just tiny, dude.
Oh, I thought he was a walleye first.
Like, he's probably exactly what my thing said. Because if you think about that, that's a 2-foot section, and he'd only take up about that much of it. So yeah, you could lip that. I'm pretty sure you could lip that little guy.
Do it.
Oh yeah, there are little teeth there.
Ah!
He bit you. Oi, let go.
No, grab the pliers. I don't know where they're at. Grab the pliers.
All right. Put this in his mouth. Yeah, open the He got you good. He said show you the lip me.
Fuck you.
I'd come right back out. Yeah, get out of here. Yeah. You bleeding?
No.
Yeah.
That hurt.
I bet it did. Hopefully that pike freaking goes away now. That's why he wasn't biting anything. He's too small to bite. That might be that pike just running out of there. But I don't think so. I think there was a walleye about his same size down there.
I saw a white tail.
Dude, and look at the bottom just explode after he leaves.
Exactly.
Oh, what is that? Nice. And that's on that beaver tail? Walleye? Oh, that's a big old perch, dude. That's a keeper.
On that beaver tail.
Heck yeah.
JD, you were right, man. Just engulfed it.
Just golfing and golfing. Just golfing everywhere.
To me, and the next thing I knew, we were at the muffler shop. And stuff was happening there, and the cops came. I got back here, and the trailer was golfing with flames. There's nothing I could do, buddy.
Trailer was golfing with flames?
Yeah, like flames fucking golfing out the roof, out the fucking door. It was golfing. There was nothing I could do. You know I would have saved it if I could, Dad.
Come on. Why don't you guys give me the freaking... Give her the beans.
He's small.
There we go. No, I'd keep it. Oh, you fucker.
He's small. Maybe now they'll start to feed.
Oh my gosh, dude. Look at the bottom of that screen.
Just lighten up.
Look at it.
Oh my lord.
They're just everywhere. Oh my gosh. We got rid of that one pike and all the perch said, okay.
We're back. Gets another one on the beaver tail. Oh.
Well, grab her then.
There you go.
Nice.
Little perch.
Yeah, just a little guy, just a baby. Oh, I forgot this wasn't the, I do have a minnow head on there. I thought this was the tantrum, or not the tantrum, the dinner bell. Freaking, I don't know how many perch I even have this year, so I think I only have
Not
2.
many.
That's my 3rd perch of the year. He almost wasn't too bad lengthwise, he was just skinny. It'd be nice if we could get a perch bite to just flare up here now. Dude, look at them just mound on top of each other.
Mm-hmm.
Just freaking giving her. Oh, they're coming to you. Oh yeah, you're gonna get just smoked. This is like the worst day to try to beat out a permanent too.
Mm-hmm.
If they waited a week or 2, it'd be a lot better.
What the hell? Is that perch?
I don't know what it is. I think it's a pike.
Holy!
Yeah, another pike. What is that?
Let's find out.
I don't know, whatever it was, it got scared by what's looking at you. There you go. I think that's another pike.
I don't know. That doesn't feel like a pike, Eric.
Could be a walleye.
Oh no, it is.
It is crazy how pikey this spot is being right now. He just break you off?
Nope.
Why are you yelling?
No! Bad pike. No eating me. Well, that explains that.
I think They were really interested in that thing when I first dropped it down, but I think they're just checking it out. And
Try that Tico Flash, maybe.
I just don't know what they're into right now.
Neither do I.
Some technical difficulties. We're back.
Perch.
There's still another one down there. That's a slab of a perch.
Buckshot.
Heck yeah.
He inhaled it too.
What was that? Oh my gosh. Well, then hit it then. Shoot, he did hit it.
Oh.
Oh yeah. This looks to be an acrobatic one.
Pike.
Oh yeah.
He just dipped. Come on. Find the battery terminal.
He sees you. There you go. I think it's just a big old perch. Yeah, I just think this leech spoon was too big for him. That's a little bit bigger one though.
Not really. No, it's not.
Buddy, if you would pay attention, tis no time to be checking Snapchats. Yeah, I think you'll get lit up.
Oh!
I think that was a walleye.
I think that was a fucking walleye. Mm! It thumped it hard.
Yeah.
Oh, that was a fucking walleye. Oh, that hurt.
Over there checking your Snapchatter. Freaking... I need to get those Pringles in here. You're going to start eating fucking spicy
Hey, that's
chips.
the only fish I've missed.
No.
Technically. I'm not counting that bobber because I don't know if it had the thing in its mouth. Look at that, though.
You said for a fact you knew it had the thing in its mouth.
Oh. He came back. He came back.
Nice. Now to see if he actually eats you or not.
Snag him.
That was almost perfect, too.
He almost got his fin. Dude, snagging a pike by the fin, wouldn't that be a fun fight?
Especially one that big. He's just a decent
That's got to be
pike.
over a 2-foot pike. Maybe we finally scared him out of there.
That's what I'm kind of hoping. I'm also kind of hoping he turns around and comes back to see what hit him.
Comes flying by.
And we have perch. I can already see the ground starting to roll.
Oh yeah, one coming out. Oh.
I think that's a pike. Well, if you're going to do something, let's go. You want a rodeo, let's rodeo.
Howdy, howdy, let's get rowdy. Oh yeah, he's back and wanting vengeance.
Hopefully. You don't look like it, though. He's just like, oh yeah, they're fishing here. Must be a great spot. I'll sit here, too.
Jackass.
I hate when pike do this stuff.
He just nudged... No, he didn't just nudge the camera. See if he eats it in the ground there?
Mm-hmm.
He might.
It wouldn't be the first time I've had a pike do it.
No.
He needs to do something, though. Or get on camera again, then I can try to put my bait right next to him. I feel like if you can freaking spear pike, you ought to be able to snag him.
Yeah.
I hit him.
I think you booped his snoot.
Yeah.
I don't think he liked it.
Good, maybe he'll leave. See if he comes up for it. Obviously there for your bait. Oh yeah, there we go. Now we got our school perch back.
I don't know if that's a perch.
I don't know either.
Get him! Perch.
Oh yeah, dude, that's a freaking pig. I don't think he's quite measures where we need him to, but he inhaled it though.
I bet.
I think that fish you have under you is a bit bigger perch. Ow! Fuck off. Okay. Finally, target species acquired.
I don't know what that is under me. That, I don't know what that is.
Hey, you're gonna go into your... Go. Go down the hole. That's a pike. I can tell you that for free. Thought I just seen a pike's belly underneath the hole.
I would laugh.
Got one?
Yep.
Oh yeah. Gavin, show your trophy to the camera. Oh, hokey fuck, guys. That's a huge one.
Hey, thanks for the minnow head, asshole. Here, bring him some good luck.
Okay, maybe after I threw that small one in there, you caught more fish than me after that.
Got more fish than you all day. Oh. Oh shit. He ain't gonna get me, I bet. Nope, he's chasing that perch. Like, he is on a mission.
Oh yeah, cruise missile. I pulled it out of his mouth. That was like my worst hook set yet. He's coming back to you though.
Oh. Don't fuck it up, Eric.
Got him.
That pike is back.
Yeah, I know. Come on, Pike. He is.
He's chasing that fucking perch. Eric, no.
I would never use a perch as bait.
And you lost it, didn't you?
No. He's right under my hole.
Perch or the pike?
I think I see pike.
Let's see.
Oh, I don't think so.
No.
You were supposed to be an eater, dude. You looked big.
The way that pike fucking came through.
I know. I should have just left him a little bit lower. Because who knows if that pike had bit down and I could just get him to turn. I might have had enough luck to get him up through the hole. You were supposed to be way bigger. Disappointment. Good job.
Little one.
Oh no! I lost my meat right away.
I know.
No, I'm just gonna use a tail.
Starts picking them off on tails.
Okay. Actually, I caught one of those fish earlier. Oh, look at that monster.
Missing part of its fin.
That was probably our resident 35-inch pike's doing. Yeah, you went down. We have like pike fighting in the hole.
Is he gonna get you?
I hope. Come on.
Oh! 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 Get him, get him, get him, get him, get him!
Come on. Okay, drop that down. We'll see if he comes back into screen.
That was nuts.
Yeah, I don't think it's over yet. The perch are gone. Long gone.
I would say so.
We literally, sorry, I switched over to the Weather Channel to see what time sunset was.
We had one pike come through with another, like, right on its tail, both of which were big, big pike. Is he liking you?
He's doing something interesting. I still have I almost bet he'd chase a rattlebait. If you get a shot at him, you better not break him off.
I think I've got like 15-pound braid.
Yeah, braid's the part I'm worried about.
Loose drag.
I don't know if it's so.
Depends on how he eats it.
Yeah, I've tried both ways, loose drag and tight drag, and it just seems like their teeth cut through braid like butter. Hold on, you're freaking. All right, well, we barely have any light left out here, and we're getting off the ice. Perch kind of died down. We've had a lot of pike come through, but yeah. If you guys could be so kind, like, subscribe, comment, do all the fun stuff. It's free. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers, so if you by some miracle made it to this far into the video, make sure to hit that subscribe button, because maybe you like some of my other stuff. And well, we'll just end her off there. Make sure to follow your dreams, because some days you could end up like this, avoiding 25-mile-an-hour winds and zero visibility on a lake that now you have to drive an hour and a half home. So, see ya.